are going camping with a Ford Ranger. Yes, the Toyota man has chosen to take a Ford camping. And will it camp? Probably, most likely, but we'll take it camping anyway and see how practical it really is. So let's go. So we have arrived at Balie's hut. This is a campsite where we're going to be spending the night, unfortunately only spending one night here, and so we're going to start unpacking. Now the reason I did not show a packing scene is because it's a Bakkie with a canopy, so it's got more than enough space inside for all our gear. We've got all our gear inside here, we've got the Coleman gear inside here as well. And so we're going to just start unpacking and building a new Coleman tent which I received. So we're going to figure out how that works still. But like I said, it's a Bakkie with a canopy. So it's got more than enough space for all the equipment, all my equipment, all our camping gear and extra things in here. So no need to try and figure out if that's going to fit or not. And there we go, campsite is set up, comfy on these chairs. We've got our cooler box right here and the tent right here. So thank you Coleman for these products. And yeah, the road coming in was absolutely incredible. It was tarmac all the way past Oppiberg, all the way until we reached the turnoff onto the farm or the farm area into the Karabokkerveld here. And then you drive this beautiful little like pass, if I can say it that way, along the edge of the mountain. It's a single spoor, so you can only have one car coming up and down. So there's a sign at the top that says you must stop there, look for oncoming vehicles. If there aren't any oncoming vehicles, then you may proceed down. Otherwise, you must wait for someone to come up first, and then you can head down. So yeah, beautiful road over there. We're going to spend the night over here. It's quite interesting weather. It's very warm and humid. So maybe we'll have a thunderstorm as well. You can test the tent in the rain. And then tomorrow morning we will head out. There's some swimming holes over here, some watergate, so we'll go try them out either later or tomorrow morning. And now we're just going to sit and chill and be rustig a little. So I forgot the braai grid. So I did not bring the braai grid and the fire's going and we need to make food. So backup plan is I have my little gas stove I brought with, thankfully. So we are doing an English barbecue. So we'll be braaiing on this mini barbecue over here. This is probably the best camping investment I've ever made. It's nice for just quick stops, and to when you're in a pinch like this, you can quickly just make your food heated up here or make it on here on the back of the flap, so it's perfect. So this comes to the save today. Now, let's talk about the car. This is Ziggy's Ford Ranger. This is the 2.2 6-speed manual, and this is a 2x4, but it has got diff-lock. Now, does it have enough storage space? Yes, it's a Bakkie with a canopy, so it's got more than enough storage space to comfortably go camp with. Yes, it's got 2x4, it has got actually good tyres, it's got general grabber tyres on, which are very good tyres in my opinion. And like I said, it's a Bakkie, it's got tons of space inside. The downside is it's a 2x4, but it can still get you most places because it's got the ground clearance you need. The only thing where you might struggle is soft sand. Deflate your tires properly, and with your diff-lock it will help a lot. But your biggest issue is getting caught up somewhere where you need your front wheels to pull. But for most cases, this thing will get you to most campsites in South Africa without a problem. So will it camp? Yes, yes it will. The point I wanted to make with this video as well is the fact that you don't need a 4x4 to go camping with. Like I said, this is a 2x4 with diff-lock, so it'll get you to most places, most campsites. It's very rare that you'll need a full-on 4x4 to be able to go camping. Most campsites will be accessible with a 2x4. It's only when you want to do 4x4ing and when you want to do wild camping when you really need a 4x4. Other than that, most places in South Africa will be accessible with a 2x4. So will it camp? Yes it will, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know what else you guys would like to see me take camping. So we'll see you guys on the next adventure. Cheers.
Ja.
We are heading to Balie se gat, of Balie, was it Balie se gat? Sizzle. Huh?
Ja, gebruik nou maar je vinger. Dus ja,
Hallo.
mes dit nie.
Bless you. There we go, I'm inside my tent. So this is actually Ziggy's car, it's her car over here.